You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this city in the Philippines, or city. If you want to learn more names, Filipino names, stay tuned. Locally, it's pronounced as Cavite. Cavite. Now in English, it's either pronounced often as Cavite or Cavite in American English, or Cavite, but really it should be said as Cavite. Cavite City in the Philippines. How to pronounce Cavite City. Pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.